Have you ever sat by a campfire and wondered why the smell makes you feel so cozy? It turns out that the comforting aroma of burning wood involves some surprisingly complex chemistry. When wood burns, it goes through a process called pyrolysis, where heat causes its organic components to break down, releasing gases and vapors. Among these gases is guaiacol, a compound known for its woody, smoky scent. This sweet-smelling compound is actually a key element in creating the signature aroma of different types of smoked foods, like barbecue or smoked salmon. Additionally, the scent can trigger nostalgic memories or feelings of relaxation because of its connection to campfires or cozy fireplaces. Our brains often link smells to past experiences, making the scent of wood burning a comforting reminder of warm nights and good company. So, the next time you find yourself captivated by that delightful smoky scent, know that it's a mix of chemistry and memory working hand in hand to make you feel at home.